Welcome to the 4 and 6 software. I'm here to demonstrate the software program. Let's check how the program works.
Looking for a powerful solution to convert doc files to PDF file format and email service? If yes, download the 4 and 6 file converter software designed with special forensic features. To know more about the software, please watch the video. Install and run 4 and 6 file converter. Tap on the Open button. There are multiple options are available. Select Document File option and choose Word files. Here you can see the Choose File and Choose Folder option. We are selecting Folder option and select folder that contains the doc files and click on Select Folder button. As you see now, all the doc files from the folder are listed one by one in the software interface. Now click on the listed folder. Now, click the Any Document file to view the message in the defined preview window. Users can preview the complete content of the file with all the details. The software provides export option to convert doc file into image files, document files and other formats. We are selecting PDF option. Then, mark the required folder for conversion and unmark the rest folder. Go to Browse option and pick a location to save PDF files conversion result. The first is Open Folders after export is done. If you enable this feature, then the target folder where the output file is saved automatically opens after the conversion. The next is Skip Grayed Outlook folder. Enable this option to leave grayed out folders from your email account. Other is to create empty folders. Please disable this option so that you can avoid creating empty folders. Next one is to delete old folders. If you want to delete previously converted data from the destination folder, then please enable this option. The last option is Include Properties. Please enable this option if you want to see emails with their respective properties and elements. Finally, go to the Save button and see the live process of PDF file conversion. You can also see the PDF file count saved in the HTML files. Once the task gets completed, you get a successful message. Click on the OK button and go to Open Folder. Now, you will see the resultant folder. Click on it and get document file converted into PDF files.